Finally got my hands on the Itel P65. This phone brings a lot of cool features for a budget device. The version I have here is called Cyber Titanium with an eye-catching cyber design. You get a MagSafe compatible case, backlight effect, flex button, 18 watts fast charger, all for the price of $90. But the big question is, does this device offer real value or is it just about packaging? For the unboxing, the Itel P65 is neatly placed and ready for setup. You also get a charging brick, which is 18 watts, a USB-C cable, and a pair of headphones. You also get included a MagSafe compatible case and a protective case to make sure this phone is protected. One of the standout features of this device is the flex button. It's Itel's version of the iPhone action button, letting you set quick shortcuts for everyday tasks. There's a single press option that lets you set shortcuts for camera, mute, screen recording and more, and there's also a long press option which I find quite useful. For the design and build quality, the Itel P65 has a unique design with its plastic back and sides that feel a bit delicate. The phone sports two camera modules, though only one is actually functional. It also features two light rings, one serves as a flash while the other one acts as an indicator for charging and notification. The overall look of this device has a game-inspired feel, similar to the Tecno Pova 6 Neo, with the phrases power and power charge inscribed on the body, adding to its bold, playful aesthetic. It's a design that stands out, especially in the budget category. For the display, the Itel P65 comes with a 6.7-inch IPS LCD display that runs on 120Hz refresh rate, which brings smoother scrolling and a decent viewing experience, especially for a budget phone. It comes with a resolution of 720p. It provides clear visuals, though the 720p display means it's not the sharpest screen out there, but still the large screen makes it enjoyable to watch videos or casual browsing. On the audio side, this device includes mono speakers that deliver basic sound quality, and there's also a 3.5mm headphone jack for wired headphone options. While it's not going to blow your mind with deep bass and crystal clear audio, but it's sufficient for everyday use or multimedia consumption. For performance, the P65 is powered by the Unisoc T615 chipset. It's a 12nm processor that delivers a solid balance of power and efficiency for everyday tasks. It comes with an Antutu score of 313K. It performs well for a budget device, handling basic functions smoothly. For everyday use with typical tasks like browsing, streaming, and social media, the P65 shows decent responsiveness with app opening quickly and minimal lag. It's reliable for day-to-day activities without feeling sluggish. When it comes to gaming, the P65 performs respectably in its class. On Call of Duty, it supports medium graphics and high frame rates, and it plays fairly smooth, but it heats up a little. For PUBG, you can play balanced graphics and high frame rates, though it's not the smoothest due to RAM limitation. For Warzone Mobile, it's not supported on this device because of the RAM option. Overall, I would say the P65 handles light gaming well, but struggles with more demanding games. So there's a backlight feature on the Itel P56, and it's a highlight of this device. You can set how long the light stays on. It can even act as a low battery indicator or a charging indicator. It lights up when the battery is low and lights up when your phone is charging. Plus, you get 3 color options to choose from, so you can customize the look to suit your style. It's a handy feature and adds personality to this device while keeping you informed at a glance. For RAM and storage, the Itel P65 offers 2 storage options to suit your needs. There's a 4GB RAM option with 128 storage, and there's a 6GB RAM option with 256 storage. Both options provide ample storage for apps, photos, and videos, with the 6GB RAM and 256 variants offering a smoother experience, especially for multitasking and heavy apps. Additionally, there's an option to expand storage thanks to the microSD support, giving you more flexibility with your storage option. For software, the Itel P65 runs on Android 14 with Itel's OS 14 layered on top, delivering a straightforward, user-friendly experience. It includes all the essential features like screen recording, Edge panel for quick access to app, and the basic customizations you get on Android 14. Out of the box, you receive updates for security patches and bug fixtures. I even got an update immediately I unboxed this device once it was connected to the internet. However, currently there's no information whether this device will get feature upgrades like Android 15 or 16. For security, the P65 offers multiple biometric security options, including a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for quick and convenient unlocking. Face unlock is also available, providing an alternative way to unlock this device. Additionally, you have traditional options like pattern pin unlock. This will give you flexible options to unlock this device. For the camera, the P65 is equipped with a 50MP main camera that performs decent for everyday photography. Details and colors are not vibrant enough in good lighting conditions, but they are okay for the price point. The 50MP sensor allows you to take some clear shots in daylight, though it struggles sometimes. In low light situation, the camera performance drops slightly, which is expected for this price range, although the night mode feature helps you brighten up the shots a little, but the results are a little grainy. The night mode feature is functional but not the strongest feature on this phone. For videos, the P65 supports video recording up to 1080p, though without advanced stabilization, so videos might appear a little shaky while you're moving. It's good enough for casual clips, but it remains basic for this price point. For selfie, it comes with an 8MP camera that captures fair quality selfies in good lighting. It delivers reasonable details and natural colors, though low light selfies may lack sharpness and color accuracy. For battery, the P65 comes with a solid 5000 mAh battery, providing reliable power for a full day use. For heavy users, you can get at least 10 hours handling tasks like streaming, gaming, or social media browsing. Light users can expect at least 24 hours, making it a great choice for those who need an all-day battery. When it's time to charge, the 18-watt wire charger gets this phone up from 0 to 40% in just 30 minutes. The fast charging support is a bonus because most devices in this price point come with 10 watts charging. So as usual, pros and cons before I give my conclusion. Pro number 1, stylish cyber design, plus it comes with a MagSafe case to charge it. Pro number 2, the flex buttons. It's quite cool. Reminds me of an iPhone. You can set quick shortcuts. Most phones on this price range don't have this. Pro number 3, 5000 mAh battery. Amazing. 18 watts fast charger. You can't get this for most devices in this price point. Pro number 4, customizable backlight. It reminds me of the Povo 6 Neo or the Infinix GT20. It's fun. That's what I'll just say. And my final pro is affordable. $90, about 135,000 naira. For a device with these pros, it's quite cheap. Now for the cons. Con number 1, no information on software updates. At least the phone should come with at least 1 year software updates, at least to Android 15. Another con I have with this device is the design. It looks a little fragile. Most phones in this price point are quite durable. I don't think this will survive test of time. For my conclusion, I think the P65 brings a lot to the table for its price. With an eye-catching design, customizable flex button, strong battery life, 50 megapixel camera, which isn't perfect, but it's good enough. I believe this is one phone that stands out in the budget category. Overall, I think the P65 is a solid choice for anyone looking for an affordable phone with unique features. While there are other options available in this price point which are better, but it's still worth considering for those who value style, affordability, and design. As usual, drop a comment below, tell me what you think about my review, tell me what you think about the P65, and I'll see you guys in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe too.